Good morning or afternoon, wherever you are. We'll make a quick overview of this chatMe app. Um, so we'll get clear about the functionality of it. So this dashboard, of course, need to be either removed or customized on your specific needs. But now it's does not require a login. So if we say required a login to access the admin, it will forward you to the login page. So let's say we need to see what is the current status of the app. So you can sign in with your email and password, or you can use your Google account or your GitHub account to sign in. We'll use the app username and password. So this is account number 1001 and an ID of 1. So now we can access the dashboard. So these are the current users. We have 600 divided by 100 per page, and you can search them. Let's say you're on page 1 and you are looking for a user with this password. Should come up right away, and you move the search bar and go back to the original page. So here we have last time the user logged in was today. We're talking I think that's Cairo, Egypt time, and that's the date account was created, an email address, and that's a username. Of course, these are all randoms, email accounts and random usernames, but that should be your real username in real time. So that's members. We go back to the roles. Roles are used to access the page. Not every user have a right to access all pages. So some pages or all pages will be restricted by a user with a role, specific role. So let's say not anybody can edit chat groups. So if we need to check the roles or authorization for a specific user, can look at the user and we'll see he does not have any authorization right now. This should be a long list of many roles for the entire app, and this should be also a long table of roles, specific of roles that was assigned to that user. that's user head. And that's here the entire roles for the app. So you can select any role and you reset it, it should add it to the user. Currently this user does not have the access required to edit chat groups. So nonetheless he owns some of the groups. So if we try to edit it, it does not have any authorization. So let's say we'll add this authorization to that user. Now I can edit groups, and that's a group that he owns. Say here also is not allowed to edit groups owned by somebody else. So we'll remove the entire group. Okay. This may need rework, or you need to restrict the groups to a specific number of letters, maybe to line. But so what we need to do here, so we deleted the group. Of course, you have to be the owner of the group, and you have to be authorized to edit groups. So let's say you want to deny access to everybody for a specific page. You know this page requires specific roles. So if you to delete the role, you delete the entire role, nobody will have it anymore. So the page will be effectively blocked from everybody. The role is gone, and nobody has the role anymore. So of course you can recreate the role after that. one of these rows in order to be able to edit Of course, you can rearrange and reselect the rows based on your requirement. So we have to assign this row to the user who is authorized to edit the chat group. Excuse me. Here we may need to add something, or that could be taken off. So we have last group here is number 8. So we may create a new group which is number 9. Currently, nobody has the membership in group number 9, so it doesn't show anymore for anybody. So let's say we need to add some users. Let's say the owner should be a obvious user of the group. It should be number 2. Of course, this may get too long and may be annoying. If you want to remove it or you want to keep it, that's up to you. Or maybe add it somewhere else. But let's say you have 100 members in a specific group, that might be dropped to here. Maybe okay, maybe not. So I guess I tried to use the same user, add the same user again. I guess I did so. That's number 11. and that is number 11. So let's see number 12. Ten and 11. Okay, so it's either 10 or 11. So let's say try this one. Okay, so I was adding 10 and 11 twice. So number 12 came down. Okay, so let's make sure that that was number 12 for sure. And that is number 12. Okay, so of course that should be changed now. Yes, we have number 9 over here. Okay, so we need to come and get another user in to check the new group. So he only has one group so far. So let's say we try to access this group. This will be, of course, removed. This is just to confirm. This is a message ID. Currently, message ID is an email count of the user, the group name, and the count of message in this specific session, date and time, time zone, and browser being used. Here, message initially is not confirmed. Once it is confirmed, it will change to check mark. So these two can exchange messages. Of course, if you hit enter, it will tell you a message required because you did not write anything. Okay. So we can talk to each other or send a voice message. You have to allow, of course. You have to get user permission. and you record the message, and when you finish talking you stop recording, and you can review what you have just said. Record the message, and when you finish talking, sorry, my speaker is kind of exhausted. So of course you need to look at the entire photo before it may be maybe too large. Let's say photo is too large, so you need to, some people would like to look at the entire photo that you are sending, or file, or PDF, to make sure that's what you want to send. And we are not downloading anything to user PC or phone. If a user selected to download anything, you can download. You can choose what to download or what not to download, whether it's voice or files. So user can disconnect after we finish with a specific group. And join another group if you want to. This user, so far so good. Of course, more customization can be added on a later date, or for specific application requirements. Well, that's how the dashboard will look on iPad or a phone. And you can log out. Here we may check a different user maybe. So these are the groups where this user has a membership, and let's say they share just group 3 together. And so forth and so forth. Can disconnect from the group, and the group should know that you are has left. And can visit another group, and so forth. And that's about it. Hopefully I did not miss too much to tell you about. So we are using Python 12, and that is currently a Debian with and today is okay. We'll talk later, and have a great day or afternoon wherever you are. Bye now.